Good morning, students. Today we will do decimal numbers. In that, how well have you learned about decimal numbers? You have learned about decimal numbers in the earlier classes. Let us briefly recall them here. Look at the following table and fill up the blank spaces. See here, it is hundreds, tens, ones, tenths, hundredth, thousands, and required number. Hundreds means 100, tens means 10, ones means 1, tenths means 1 upon 10, hundredths means 1 upon 100, thousands means 1 upon 1000. Suppose this number is given to you 2, 5, 3, 1, 4, and 7. Here 2 is on 100th place. It means it will be 200. 5 is on 10th place. It means it is 5 into 10, that is 50. And 3 is on 1's place. You will get 3 into 1, that is 3. 1 is on 10th place. It means you have to multiply 1 by 1 upon 10. You will get 1 upon 10. Then 4 is on 100th place. You multiply 4 into 1 upon 100. You will get 4 upon 100. And then 7 is on 1000's place. We multiply 7 by 1 upon 1000. You will get 7 upon 1000. And then convert it into decimal and add it. What will you get? 253.147. Now second part. Here it is 6, 2, 9, 3, 2, and 1. We have to write the numbers. How will you write this? It can be written as 629.321. Write down here 629. Point 321. This is your answer. Now come to third part. It is 0, 4, 3, 1, 9, and 2. Here you have to write the number. The 0 is on 100 place. The 0 multiplied by 100, it will be 0. We don't write. 4 into 10, it is 40. It will be 43.192. This is your answer. Now third, here it is dash 1, 4, 2, 5, and 1, and number is given, that is 514.251. Here you have to write hundredths place. In this given number, hundredths place is 5. So in this dotted line, what will come? 5. This is your answer. Now come to next. It is 2 dash 6, 5, 1, and 2. Your given number is 236.512. Here, what is Phillips? It is tens place. In the given number, see what is tens place? It is 3. What will come here? 3. Write down 3. This is your answer. Now come to next one. It is dash 2 dash 5 dash 3. Here you have to fill up 3 blanks. Here number is given to you. It is 724.503. Here first place it is 100. What is the 100th number? It is 7. Write down here 7. Then next dash is ones. What is ones here? It is 4. Write down here 4. And then next is 100. What is the 100th place? It is 0. Write down here 0. This is your answer. Now come to next. It is 6 dash 4 dash 2 dash, and the given number is 614.236. Here first blank is tens. What is tens in the given number? It is 1. Here write down 1. Then second space is tenth. What is tenth here? It is 3. Write down here 3. Then next box, it is thousand. What is thousand here? It is 6. Write down 6 here. This is your answer. Now come to next. It is 0, 1, 0, 5, 3, 0. Here you have to write the number. It will be 0, 1, 0, 0.5, 3, 0. This is your answer. In the table, you wrote the decimal numbers given its place value expansion. You can do the reverse too. That is, given the number, you can write its expanded form. For example, 253.417 can be written in expanded form as 2. 2 is on 100th place, therefore we multiply it by 100. It can be written as 2 into 100 plus 5 is on 10th place, so we multiply it by 10, and it can be written as plus 5 into 10. Then again plus 3 is on 1st place, you have to multiply it by 1. It can be written as 3 into 1 plus 4. 4 is on 10th place, so it will be multiplied by 1 upon 10. So this can be written as 4 into 1 upon 10 plus 1. It is on 100th place, so it can be multiplied by 1 upon 100. That is 1 into 1 upon 100 plus 7 is on thousandth place, so it can be multiplied by 1 upon 1000. So it can be written as 7 into 1 upon 1000. This is the expanded form of the number 253.417. While converting lower units of money, length and weight to their higher units, we are required to use decimals. For example, 3 paise. It can be written as in rupees 3 upon 100. Why? Because in 1 rupee there are 100 paise. In 1 paisa, how many rupees will be there? 1 upon 100. That's why 3 paisa can be written as 3 into 1 upon 100, and if you multiply it, you will get 3 upon 100, and convert it into decimal. It can be written as rupees 0.03. 5 gram can be written in kg as 5 upon 1000. Why? Because in 1 kg there are 1000 grams and 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000. So 5 gram, it can be written as 5 into 1 upon 1000, and if you multiply it, you will get 5 upon 1000 kg, and this can be written in decimal as 0.005 kg. Similarly, 7 centimeter, if you want to write in meters, how will you write? It can be written as 0.07 meter. How will you get this? In 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? 100. The 1 centimeter equal to how many meters? It will be 1 upon 100. So 7 centimeter, it can be written as 7 into 1 upon 100 meter. And if you multiply it, you will get 7 upon 100 meter. And in decimal, if you convert it, you will get 0.07 meter. So write 75 paise in rupee. How will you write it? Here we know that in 1 rupee there are 100 paise. In 1 paisa, how many rupees will be there? 1 upon 100. In 75 paisa, it can be written as 75 into 1 upon 100. Convert it into decimal. It can be written as rupees 0.75. Similarly, 250 gram, you can write in kg also. How will you write? In 1 kg, how many grams are there? 1000. So 250 gram, in this 1 gram equal to how many kg? It is 1 upon 1000. So 250 gram, it can be written as 250 into 1 upon 1000. And in decimal, if you convert it, it can be written as 0.250 kg. Now 85 centimeter can be written in meter as, how will you write? In 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? 100 centimeter. In 1 centimeter, how many meters will be there? 1 upon 100. So 85 centimeter can be written as 85 into 1 upon 100, and convert it into decimal. It can be written as 0.85 meter. This is your answer. Now we also know how to add and subtract decimals. Thus 21.36 plus 37.35 is, here you have to add it. How will you write it? It can be written as 21.36 plus 37.35 and then add it. So 6 plus 5, 11. Take 1 and 1 is carry. Now add all this. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Then 1 plus 7, it is 8. Put decimal below decimal. Then 2 plus 3, it is 5. Write here 5. Your answer will be 58.71. What is the value of 0.19 plus 2.3? Here you have to add it. How will you add it? So this can be written as 0.19 plus 2.30, and then add it. 9 plus 0, it is 9. 1 plus 3, it is 4. Below decimal, put decimal. 0 plus 2, it is 2. Your answer will be 2.49. Now come to next. The difference between 29.35 minus 4.56 is, here write the bigger number first, that is 29.35 minus here 4.56. Here write decimal below decimal. Here this space will be blank, write here 0 and then subtract it. All is subtracted. 5 minus 6. We can't subtract 6 from 5. So we take one number from 10th place. Here it will become 2 and we add 10 to next, that is 5. The 10 plus 5, it will be 15. Now 15 minus 6, you will get 9. Again from 2, we can't subtract 5. So we take one number from 9, that is 1's place. Here if we take one number, this will become 8 and this number will become, add 10 to it, it will become 12. 12 minus 5, you will get 7. Then here it will be 8. 8 minus 4, you will get 4. And then 2 minus 0, you will get 2. Your answer will be 24.79. This is your answer.